So I plugged in this Samsung TV and the light's blinking for the power. So I'm going to take it apart and see what's wrong with it. After you've taken your back off your TV, this is your power supply board. That's your main board. And there's your T-Con board. Now, if you got lights that are flashing like this TV shows, clearly you can see right here. See these capacitors? That's what we're looking for. See how they're peaked in the middle and they're black and they're oozing out? 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. Those 4 capacitors are your problem. And they are 1000 microfarad, 10 volt. So there's 4,000 microfarad, 10 volt capacitors that all you have to do is change out. In my video description, there's a video on how to change the capacitor out and how to identify and all that. So check that out. If you need me to fix it, you can either contact me on my Facebook page or I have an eBay link. But all you have to do is just take your board out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like there's 7 screws. Yeah, 7 screws. And you got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 connectors here you have to take off. And you can ship this to me if you wanted, and I could fix it fairly cheap. And I'll change these 4 capacitors out here and show you that the TV will work afterwards. Now when I plug it in, three blinks, your TV's on. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this fixed your TV. Subscribe, leave me a comment. I'll see you next time.